Ever get a massive headache just a few minutes after lighting a candle? Yeah, me too. That's usually because traditional candles are packed with synthetic fragrances. So today, we are fixing that. We are making a clean burn soy wax candle using the DIY kit, and it honestly smells like a fresh mountain breeze. Our DIY mountain spruce candle kit gives you what you need: clean soy wax, 2 earthy green ceramic vessels, wooden cross wicks, wick stickers, and a crisp blend of mountain spruce and fir needle oils. We send the exact ingredients right to your door so you don't have to hunt them down. Now that we have everything that we need, let's make it. Slide the 2 wooden wicks together to form a plus sign. Slide the wick into its metal base, making sure it sits flush. Peel the backing of a wick sticker, stick it to the bottom of the metal base, and press it firmly into the center of your green jar. Repeat for the second jar. Melt your soy wax using a double boiler or a microwave-safe pitcher. Heat it slowly, stirring occasionally until it is fully liquid and reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the heat. Immediately pour in the full bottle of mountain spruce and the full bottle of fir needle oil. Stir gently but continuously for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps the oils completely bind with the wax for the best scent throw. Let the wax cool to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. While it cools, quickly warm your jars with a hair dryer or the oven on the lowest setting so the wax doesn't shrink away from the cold ceramic. Pour the cooled wax in a slow, steady stream down the inside wall of the vessel. This technique prevents air bubbles from getting trapped, which is the main cause of surface craters. Stop pouring when you fill the vessels, leaving about half a cup of wax behind in your melting pot. Let the candle set for 30 to 60 minutes. If any small dips appear on top, reheat your remaining wax to 155 degrees Fahrenheit and pour a final thin layer for a flawless glass smooth finish. Let them cool for 24 hours, then let them cure for 1 week before lighting to lock in the aroma. Always trim your wick to 1/8 of an inch before lighting. On your first burn, let the wax melt all the way to the edges to prevent tunneling. Prefer pure essential oils? You can swap the scent for 200 drops of fir needle, 150 drops cedarwood atlas, 100 drops of Siberian fir, and 50 drops sweet orange for a softer throw. And that's it! You've made a beautiful pair of scented candles to give as a gift or to fill your own home with a fresh, crisp, piney aroma. Share your finished candle using #IMadeThis for a chance to win a $100 Simply Earth gift card. I'll see you in the next video.